Welcome to our exploration of Matthew chapters 25 to 28, an awe-inspiring journey of teaching, betrayal, sacrifice, and triumph. These chapters are packed with rich stories and profound lessons. So let's dive in and uncover their treasures together. Matthew 25 opens with the parable of the 10 virgins, illustrating the importance of being prepared for the kingdom of heaven. Here, Jesus tells us, "Therefore, keep watch, because you do not know the day or the hour." This serves as a powerful reminder of vigilance and readiness. Next, we encounter the parable of the talents. It emphasizes using our gifts wisely and working diligently for God's glory. The master in the story says, "Well done, good and faithful servant," words we all hope to hear one day. This parable challenges us to reflect on how we use our own talents in life. Chapter 25 concludes with a vivid depiction of the final judgment, drawing a clear line between the righteous and the unrighteous, urging us to live a life of compassion and service. The king separates the sheep and the goats, stating, "Truly I tell you, whatever you did for one of the least of these brothers and sisters of mine, you did for me." In chapter 26, the narrative shifts as we witness Jesus' anointing at Bethany and the Last Supper. The significance of this meal is captured in Jesus' words, "This is my blood of the covenant, poured out for many for the forgiveness of sins." This sets the stage for his imminent sacrifice. A betrayal by Judas is followed by Jesus' arrest, trial, and Peter's heartbreaking denial, where Peter hears the rooster crow, fulfilling Jesus' prediction. His anguish is palpable, reminding us of human frailty. Matthew 27 narrates the crucifixion. At the 9th hour, Jesus cries out, my God, why have you forsaken me?" This echoes Psalm 22 and encapsulates his suffering for humanity. Jesus' death and the tearing of the temple curtain symbolize the breaking of barriers between God and man. Finally, chapter 28 heralds hope with the resurrection. The angel's proclamation, "He is not here, he has risen," transforms despair into joy. Jesus' ascension and the Great Commission, "Go and make disciples of all nations," offer a call to spread this message of love and redemption. These chapters from Matthew are a profound narrative of preparation, sacrifice, and ultimate victory, challenging us to reflect on faith, purpose, and our relationship with others and God. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the teachings that continue to inspire and transform.